No, not Harmony One. This can't be real. Harmony One is not mooning right now. Why is Harmony One up? That's what all the fudders are saying right now. Harmony One holders, tune in, sit back and relax, and let's get right in today's topic to see what really is happening with Harmony One, and is it really time to get excited? But before we jump in, you guys know the drill. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Come join the Crypto ZX army. And as always, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. Looking at our old friend Harmony One, what is happening with the price? It's up 20.5% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also up about 12.1% in BTC comparative over the last 24 hours. Harmony One currently is ranked at that top 153 spot in the cryptocurrency market ranking with a market cap of only $210.4 million. And the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 70.4 million. This project, I've been covering this project on my channel for quite some time if you are a regular viewer on my channel, and this project has seen a massive FUD over the past year or so, because there was a hack that happened that really impacted the overall success for Harmony One and kind of steered investors away from the project. But remember, the project is continuing to develop, and I really do believe this project is not dead. Again, that's my own personal opinion, and this is one of the hidden gems for myself in cryptocurrencies. I don't like how Harmony One's moving right now because I was still picking up some bags for this, but again, we will see what happens. But now, you may see those trolls come and say Harmony One is never going to move at all. This project is completely dead. If that's the case, if you picked up some Harmony One just on December 30th, which is 2 weeks back at 9.53 cents, you're already up 80% since then. But I thought it was dead. I thought Harmony One was dead. Nope. Harmony One still has what it takes to be one of the top blockchain projects in the cryptocurrency space. Obviously, we're seeing tons of blockchain projects come in on a daily basis. A lot of competition is there for itself, and as I've mentioned to you guys before, earlier in last year when the bull market was going, not even last year, in 2021, I've been covering Harmony One for quite some time. Harmony One has a very unique tech behind itself that not a lot of other blockchain projects have. Yes, it has gone through a lot of FUD lately. There was a hack, which again, you can't really blame from the investor sides. When people are not even invested in the project and they're fudding, they're just a bunch of trolls in my personal opinion. But as an investor, yes, that could steer you away from the project, which is totally understandable. But this is a hurdle, guys. This is a hurdle that has come for the team for Harmony One, and it's really important to see how they steer from that. So far, they continue to, develop, even in the bear market, they were developing. Obviously, the price has seen quite a bit of a retracement, but, this is a beautiful bounce that it has seen, and I really do believe in that project. Again, it's a proof of stake consensus. A lot of its circulation supply is already being staked right now, so that could be, a big, catalyst behind the move for Harmony One. And projects like those, the ones with a lot of its circulation supply being staked, are going to be the ones that move quite fast. And right now, Harmony One is sitting at some very, very critical price levels. We're seeing some level of resistance playing out for us right now, which goes back to July of the last year. And we're literally sitting right at that level of resistance. You guys can see we had support built up around that range, which is playing as a level of resistance right now. But if we flip it, that's going to obviously turn into support. And if we really break out of there, guys, then I really, really strongly believe that we could see Harmony One headed back to that 3 cents mark. And obviously the major level of resistance coming up at that 3.1 cents mark. And last time we were above that was back on August. We saw it go above, but obviously the price of Bitcoin saw a retracement, and Harmony One's party ended right there. But so far, this project is looking like it's ready for breakout. But we could say that about anything right now in the markets. But remember, it's up 80%. And if we look at some altcoins right now in the cryptocurrency market, they're not even up that much compared to their lows of last year. Harmony One is being looked at very strongly right now, but if we do look at that daily time frame, it's not looking as pretty if we're looking at the hour, zoomed in chart. If I still bring out the measuring tool for you guys, Harmony One has seen a retracement at about 96% still. Even after that retracement, even though we're up 80%, we're still down 96% from all-time highs. And this is one of the projects that I still want to accumulate, and I still do believe we possibly could see Harmony One retrace back to those levels if the price of BTC sees a rejection around that 22K mark. All the Crypto ZX army knows how important this level of resistance is, so I'm not even going to get into that. But this is a decisive factor for me where I either turn bullish or remain bearish right now. And even though we are seeing such a beautiful bounce towards the upside, there is some power to this move that we have seen. I'm still not convinced until we are above 22K mark. Remember, it is due for a little bit of a retracement. We have seen quite a big of a bounce for the price of BTC, so that is something we do need to keep in mind. But this is going to be a massive deciding factor for the price of Harmony One. But regardless, I still do believe that Harmony One is extremely undervalued compared to other projects. And we always talk about crypto gems. What is a crypto gem? What's another project that is highly undervalued? And without a doubt, again, this is only my own personal opinion, not financial advice. In my personal opinion, Harmony One is one of the most slept on projects right now. Obviously, a lot of uncertainty, and I really do believe they have what it takes to make a massive comeback in the next bull cycle. And this project is one thing I'm picking up right now as we speak, and I am waiting for a little bit of a retracement. I still do believe that is very possible for us to see that happen, but I will see what happens. Right now, it's still, in my personal opinion, very early to get in, because if we look at the longer time frame right now, everyone all of a sudden is turning bullish on the entire space. When everyone, this is what happens when people are accumulating when there's a lot of fear across the board. There's a very, very famous saying, be greedy while others are fearful, be fearful while others are greedy. But right now people are turning greedy. A lot of people are FOMOing in, oh my god, the bull run is back, blah blah blah. But if we're zooming out and looking at the Harmony One chart on the bigger time scale, it's still down quite a bit, and I strongly believe that this project has what it takes to make a massive comeback this next bull cycle. But again, only time is going to tell. This is the risk when it comes to investing in crypto. That's why it's always important to invest where you can afford to lose. But I'm betting heavy on Harmony One as making a massive comeback in this next bull cycle. But let me know down below what you guys think, where you could see the price going, and your strategy behind Harmony One. But come on, Harmony One, please relax for a bit. But that is it for today's update. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.